Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get PayPal cash card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Of course, you can also go and download the PayPal application through the Google Play Store or the App Store. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you haven't already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the home, send, wallet, activity and help, we have send request, and we have a lot of different options here. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and get PayPal cash card. So what you need to do is visit this link that I'll be giving you now. So visit this link, which is, as you can see, this. So basically you can go and apply here on this link here, as you can see. So it is paypal.com/us/digital wallet/manage money/PayPal debit card. Go to that link guys, firstly. So that is the first thing. Click get card, log into your PayPal account and complete the form. Once your request is proceeded, PayPal will mail you the card. Once you receive the card, activate it online or over the phone, add money to your card account, and you're ready to go. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.